Oh my God, I'm so happy. It's something special about making it through the work week. Especially
no.
Oh God.
Shoot.
Big Daddy in Baku.
Yes, honey. Barking and hollering and carrying on.
That was good.
He could bark at me for a little while, I ain't gonna lie. Before I've been told to go sit his ass down. Dude.
Dang, on this car work.
My mama.
I ain't get a chance to lay my edges down.
You look good and natural.
Yep.
Shining and everything.
That was good.
It was good.
That was real good.
I wish they would go ahead and go so I won't have to work so hard to get out of here.
Who?
The people next to me, I could turn better if they wasn't there. But it looked like they ain't moving.
That was...
Can you look on your side like that?
You good. You good. Ain't nobody coming. Big Daddy in Baku.
Yes, honey. Black Panther eggs.
That 3D wasn't that bad either. It took me a minute to like adjust to it.
It took me a minute to get used to it.
Because I feel like I'm finna get a headache. So I tried covering up one eye.
I did that, try to like squint.
Yeah.
And then at one point,
that's the
at one point when something started flying to me, I was swatting at it. I'm like, damn.
I see you. I'm like, what is she doing?
Shit, it was coming right for me. I'm like,
I should see if they got some boots. Let's run up in there. I need some boots.
Not tonight.
Not tonight.
We gotta get home and get ready for the baby. Which way we gonna get out of here, babe?
Ain't no right. It's just the parking lot.
Y'all watching these children is no.
If this woman said yes one more time,
yes, honey.
Loud as I don't know what.
I don't care. I paid $30 to see all of that. Was going yes 30 times. You hear me? $30.
Every time Chadwick moved, yes.
Good Lord for the man. Praise the ancestors, Lord. Yes, honey. My $30 at a matinee. How much these people paying tonight? Okay.
With the $7 one?
Yeah, I mean, like,
7 o'clock one?
Yeah, we paid $15 in the matinee. Oh, no wonder they made $300 million.
Right.
Damn.
Tickets high as a kite. Just ridiculous.
Wait, left. I'm just like, do they have to make all their money back on me tonight?
Right.
What's up? Mr. Chadwick, I love you. Mama love
him
you.
Fine, Michael fine. Eric,
Michael.
I mean,
all them knots on him just been going around killing
ain't no knots, no scars.
Those were like little notches for everybody that he killed, though.
Go ahead to pick a line.
Going across.
Yeah, right. I believe.
I was like, damn. I said, damn.
No, left.
Look, now, damn it.
Go ahead. Ain't nobody behind us.
You got your mind messed.
This gonna take us straight to the highway.
That's why I come out though.
Cause the DHL over here. That's why I had to come.
So go straight, right?
Yeah, straight.
What they're talking about left.
Ain't nothing over here. Ain't no Sonic over here. Like literally nothing's over here. This just makes it even more sad to know that the malls are just shutting down.
They can't sustain.
Can't sustain. Online shopping killing
the game. Which also is, is killing jobs. Like, it's bad. Yeah. We got like 3 or 4 malls. Anytime you start having stuff like banquet centers and Chesterfield Mall, right? Gaming centers.
Yeah, gaming center, and all they do is playing Pokemon up in there.
All day. You can't afford to be inside Chesterfield, Chesterfield Mall like that. Chesterfield would have been closed all the way by now. That's what I was told.
They're gonna make it either like a retirement center, they said, or
retirement homes.
Yeah, that or
some apartment
some
building.
Expensive lofts.
Yeah. Which one you think?
I think I'm leaning towards the loft.
I am too.
Because everybody wants a nice little loft now. Everybody want houses. I don't want a house.
wish Black Panther was on tape already. I can go home and watch that again. My husband needs to be with him.
I didn't know I knew Eric Killmonger was gonna die. That's the bad guy. I knew he was gonna die then. But I didn't know he was reign king for like a day. Literally like 18 hours before he was done.
How many it was, but he did too much. When he threw him off that water, I'm like, oh my God, oh Lord.
She in here, no.
Yes. Kill my baby daddy. That man got the barking like a dog. I said, what the hell?
I think they supposed to be wolves.
Sound like a dog to me. Sound like a big ass pit bull. I was like, okay though. I was so happy when I heard them start barking and coming to help them ladies kill their own men.
Make me so excited. I gotta get my tattoo. I've been wanting a tattoo since I was 20?
I don't know.
It's been years. But seeing them just makes me want to get it soon. Like, if she was a part of, she had her own tribe. I mean, not her own tribe, but her own, like, set of warriors. Lady warriors. And she went on, like, these missions because Jamil was too afraid to. Like that. What we eating for dinner? Okay, so tomorrow is nacho day at work, so I bought these green onions, white onions or yellow onions, and red onions, just because I feel like one thing wouldn't do, so I bought all three because everybody don't like the same onions. So yeah. Then I bought these little beef sticks, little snack sticks. Hopefully they taste good. I don't know why dried beef is so expensive, but I had to pass and go cheap. Hopefully they taste good. I got some low moisture mozzarella so I can make some little fake Cheez-Its. Maybe I should do a video on that. It's literally like so simple. It's so ridiculous. Got some peaches and nectarines. I mixed them up, so they was $1.98 both, so it really doesn't matter. Then I got some nanners. They're not that ripe yet. This is the way I like to eat them. Like, I would eat them right now like this. Some Beijing beef sauce from, this is Panda Express, but they sell it at Walmart. Some onions, sesame oil, because I'm making egg roll in a bowl. And I bought some Takis to give out as a gift. Can't really go into detail with that. Then I got some salsa because I'm almost out. And then this 4-pack, and these are 20 ounces, was $1.78. So I probably should have got more, but they didn't really have the flavor that I really like. But this golden peach is good. So yeah, that's about it. Oh, also some taco seasoning. Since it is nacho day tomorrow, everybody doesn't season their stuff the same, so I'm gonna be prepared. Yes, ma'am.
Crinkle with the extra roll, please.
Yes, ma'am. What can I get for you?
That's all. Thank you.
You got 5 people in the phone to add the roll?
Yes.
922.
What you doing with this?
Yo. Yeah. I just want to get what's left of you.
Andy. Okay.
What?
You got some M&M's to go with this good weed?
Else to say that, like, I'm aggravated, and I probably should have called off because my attitude is gonna suck. I'm trying to think positive. I can grab me a little piece of hematite. My face looks so fat from my head. I grabbed me a piece of hematite just because it's gonna be one of them days. And I was sitting there. Let's see if I could try to do this. I'm late for work. Like, honestly, I should just stop and get a breakfast sandwich because I'm late. Shit. See, I'm aggravated. Fuck, are you in stupid? Then you gonna drive slow in that lane. What is the point? That is to get on the highway lane. Let me tell you how I'm mad. First, I woke up I'm supposed to get up at like 6, 6:15, 6:30. So there's 3 different options, right? Got up at 7. Was thinking like, what am I gonna wear? Okay, moving, going good, time going good. I put my outfit on, I'm about to go, right? I noticed my shirt is a little too wrinkled. So I've done this trick plenty of times. Where I take my blow dryer and I just hit my shirt up a little bit and it knocks the wrinkles out, because I didn't have time to like sit there and load the iron and all of that, right? I ain't have time for that. It was already like 5 minutes past time for me to be out the door in my car. So I'm just hitting the wrinkles. I get the neck a little bit. Something goes. So I'm like, what the devil? Then I'm looking in the mirror, like, what's that black stuff? So I'm flicking it off, but it ain't flicking off. Why does blow dry put a hole in my brand new shirt? Never worn. Forgot I had it. Tried it on yesterday. Cute. It's peach. It has like these slight little ruffle effect on the sleeve. It fit good. I got it before I left my last job, and it's been sitting in the bag. And I get so much off, right? I got like 40% off of it. It was already $39.95, but still, the fact is, with the discount or without a discount, I never even got a chance to wear that shirt. This was my first day about to wear that shirt, and now it's got a hole in it. I'm so irritated. I'm irritated because I'm late. I'm irritated because my brand new shirt that I didn't even get to wear is destroyed, and I didn't get breakfast. I'm feeling congested. My final is tonight. I just feel like he was doing too much with these 8 chapters on this one test. Like, I'm just not in a good mood. And I was getting ready doing my little makeup because I don't have much on. I just filled in my eyebrows. That's it. So I'm sitting there. I'm getting ready listening to The Quietest Revolution talk about Geminis in March and how the new moon and all of that stuff. I already knew about the new moon and all of that, but I couldn't follow because my head was like, you need to hurry up because you're about to be late. Now I'm about to be late for real. I think I need gas. Like, I'm just like, can we restart the day, please? Can we restart the day? Like, honestly, I'm over it. I'm not in a good mood. I'm not in a good mood. This shirt looks so cute on me. Now I'm sitting here thinking like, well, how could I? Y'all see that breath? It's cold in this car. Now I'm trying to figure out how I can, oh shit. Sorry guys. Now I'm thinking of ways of how I could, fix that top. Like, can I add an applicant? You know what? Fuck it. Oh God, I'm so fat. Whew. I hate the fact that my face is so big. Like, I had watched the old video. And my face was so much smaller. Should I get a Red Bull since I'm already here? I'm gonna just go ahead and get it now. I'm at Quick Trip. I might as well get this Red Bull. I don't know, after lunch today, my lunch was fire. After lunch today, man, I couldn't keep my eyes open. Y'all, I'm so tired. I ain't even tired. I don't know. I'm ready for spring break. I'm hungry as hell though. I can't even lie. I went in there to get a Red Bull, but you know them like cheese stick and like beef stick things or whatever? That was like $1. So I got two. I just take the other one for lunch because I didn't have no snacks today. And for me, that's not a good thing. I'm one of the people like, when I like really started to like learn about dieting and eating clean and people eating like 6 times a day and whatnot, I'm like, ain't no way in hell somebody need to eat like what, 4, 5, 6 small meals a day. But I definitely see why. I definitely do. Cause the girl is hungry. Like, this tastes like a whole steak right now. That test was long. It wasn't as bad. I felt like, look at the white people. They partying at Westport. I feel like it was as bad as I thought it would be. I feel like the last few chapters, even though I didn't really read the text, we went over everything in class. I feel like I was, fuck it, I get real confused as to why people drive with their brakes on, and I should brake check your ass. Oh, I can't be petty. Look at this. Hello, like, back off.